So here's the audio and video quality from the Acer WBC 0E01. You can see the autofocus actually is pretty quick. Now let's take a look and test what it's like with various bright colors. So if I bring my phone in here on Duolingo, we can see that this is bright and it makes my face a little bit darker. I'm going to put my phone to full brightness. Go back to here, we can see the autofocus again very quick. And then when I move back, that's what it looks like. So this is the quality. It's a little dark for my preference. Like if I was having a meeting right now, it's 4:30 p.m. in California. I think this would be dark for my meeting attendees to see me. Hopefully the sound quality is good. I think I see a little bit of the black lines moving from the flicker rate of my overhead ceiling lights. But for having an office that's just, some dimmable recessed lighting, I think the quality looks pretty good. There's a lot of texture that you can see in the video quality. So let's see if I put my hand up here, if it'll focus. There we go. So really good definition. I mean, I'm exporting this in 1080p and it looks pretty good once it catches focus. Let's see. Okay, not bad. And then I'm going to step back here. Just imagine if I was presenting something, if I had a whiteboard or if I had like a big product that I need to present, if you could hear me and still see me clearly. So this is the Acer 4K camera. Am I blown away with it? Honestly, not really. I think it looks fine. I don't think it looks fantastic.